Hello, friends and frenemies. It is an exciting day here at the Crusty Computer Club's massive storage warehouse. Massive? Spacious? Whatever. This is kind of raw video. We have just now received 6,785 pounds of IBM mid-range mainframe equipment, cables, software, documentation, and everything. So I'd like to show you a quick view of what we got. I was going to say the new phone books are here, but the only thing we didn't get in the shipment was phone books. Quick pan. There is a System 34, a System 34. We'll get to the boxes later. A System 38, a 9375 Model 40 mainframe. Unfortunately, it's turned the wrong way, so you can't really see it in there. There it is. Oh, there's disk drives. And this pallet with more boxes has a 5362, two 9404s, one of which is a Model 135, which is fairly rare. I don't think I've ever actually seen one in person. And the rest of these boxes, which is the archivist's dream / nightmare, they came with the mainframe boxes of 3480 or 3490 tapes. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, and there's more over there. We've got documentation, we've got more IBM software manuals, we've got diskettes and diskette magazines for the System 38. We've got documentation, we've got blue books. Here's all the tapes. Good Lord, no wonder this box was heavy. These are 3480 tapes, I believe. They're 200 megabyte half-inch cartridges. We have a drive that will read these, fortunately, because holy cow, we have a lot of tapes to go through. Most of these, I presume, are data from the machine when it was in actual business. However, we do have some that says backup something here, so hopefully we'll have something cool to recover. We did get documentation for the 9375. We have the service manual set. We have what looks like a full set of VMSP Release 5 manuals. We've got a full set of what might be VSEAF, Advanced Function Manuals. The System 38 here is a little on the dirty side. She is nowhere near the crusty level of like Gertie or any of the other machines we've gotten in. But it's a little dirty, but it is intact. It has all the cards, it has all the power supplies. It has a 62 PC inside. I would open the covers for you right now, but they're bolted shut, and this thing is bolted to this pallet. And honestly, I have no idea how we're gonna get this off these pallets. They're custom built. I thought they were standard pallets. They're not. They're custom built for the weight, and they are definitely strong enough to hold the machine. I just don't really know how we're gonna get them off of there. Here's our boxes, IBM manuals. What do we have? VMSP Release 6. Sweet. These are all VSE 1.4, programmer's reference. Yeah, we've got all the good stuff. Messages and codes. We have a lot of archiving to do. Over here we have fun stuff. We have blue books. I mentioned to our friend in Canada who we obtained this stuff from that I had the ability to scan the bigger blue books, because I've got a service provider here that can scan the oversized pages. And he basically sent me every blue book he had. I know he's got a set for the Series 1. I know he's got display writer sets. I know he's got other stuff. I really have no idea what's in these boxes. This over here is terminals. I don't know what kind of terminals. They might be coax, they might be twin-X. There might be anything. I don't actually know. Let me see. We have IBM and Xerox manuals here. I'm going to try to hold this to see some of these labels. More keyboards. PS2 computer. Oh, that's the service processor for the 9375. That's important to have. We have hardware manuals, blue books, software manuals, IBM and Xerox manuals. Okay. More blue books. Let's see if I can get down here and get a picture. Dark as it is, we have a 5362 that we're getting sight unseen. It was up on a shelf, but I'm kind of fond of 5362s. They're good, solid machines. This is the AS400 model 135. You can tell it's a 135 because it has a multiprocessor speedometer on it. Oh, no, this isn't 135. The 135 is over here with its butt to us, so we can't see that. Here's the front of the 9375. We can actually get some picture of that. There is a front panel. There is a 3174 clone from Memorex Telex. Basically, this is an IBM machine with Memorex Telex, everything else. The drives are 9032 compatible. Memorex Telex. Oh look, more software manuals, more random computer cables. If you'll notice, the boxes are numbered. I don't remember how many boxes there are, but there's a lot. There's boxes in the 30s, and I think even some in the 40s. There's 38, 33. The big terminal box, I think, is 34, 37. So there might be 40 boxes. Just a lot of stuff. The System 34s are really in sad shape. They don't look it from the outside. They're really sad shape on the inside. We got them basically to scrap for parts. We've kind of cornered the market on 5340s for the moment. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of which 2 are working, and the third will actually 2 are working, and the third and fourth will work very, very shortly now that we have some workshop space. These 2, I had intended to scrap them for parts because I don't really know that we need 7 System 34s. They can be restored and go to museums. If anybody that has a museum that wants a System 34, we can arrange that probably. But mostly in our restoration efforts for the 34s, we realized that there are a couple of cards that fail regularly and often. One control processor card, the disk adapter card, and I think the printer controller. So we actually, part of the reason why we have 2 machines that don't work, but can work, are they're short on those specific cards. So we're going to get them out of here to get our other machines working. Okay, this has been probably long enough, but we're going to look back in here, and what do we have? We have VSE Advanced Function, VM IPF. I don't know what this machine, well, I know what this machine did. I don't know how they did it, because good Lord, there's a lot of documentation in here. These are all diskettes and diskette magazines for the System 38. We we believe that there's actually a set of OS backup or OS diskettes in there. We haven't cataloged anything yet, obviously, but we're hoping. Our magazine drive. This machine's not actually that bad of shape. It's just dirty on the outside. It's been well stored. It's been stored in a climate-controlled building for the last 25 years or so, maybe 30. So I guess I'm going to wrap it up for here. You're kind of all looking at the same stretch wrap. Sorry. Literally, this stuff just got shoved into a storage unit just tonight. So we will have more videos when we get stuff unboxed and we find out any cool gems in some of these boxes. We'll be happy to share them with you. And of course, we're going to archive the absolute snot out of all the documentation, all the tapes that aren't customer data, and well, everything else we find. So wish us luck. This is the Crusty Computer Club signing off for the moment. If you don't know who we are a tax-exempt 501c3 organization to do these restorations, just archive software, documentation, basically anything we find. Our expertise is mostly in IBM mid-range and mainframe and telecom, for some strange combination of folks. But we are a charitable organization. We are tax exempt. We do this out of the kindness of our hearts and the kindness of our wallets, much to the chagrin of our spouses and significant others. But if you are interested in these as projects, if you want to keep up to date with what's going on, we'll be posting videos every once in a while. Or you could also, sorry, I'm terrible at this. If you could also donate to the GoFundMe, the link is in the bottom of the video description here. You'll be subscribed to updates for this entire project as we post things. We'll post links to videos, pictures, software archives before anybody else gets to them, before they get up on BitSavers at the Internet Archive. So with that, it's been 10 minutes of me babbling, and I'm going to go cut some straps here and see what we've got. Signing off. Thank you for watching.